fix this. As you can see, there's a hole, crack. Oh, so we need to fix this. Okay. So the only way to fix this is to cut this and put another pipe on the. This is Toyota Urban Cruiser. Oh no, Aygo. Sorry.